We've had this conversation.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to IBX Running. I am Coach Rachel, and today we have a 15-minute cardio HIIT workout for you. It's going to be quick, it's going to be fast, so if you miss any speed or incline changes, I want you to take a look over onto this side of your screen. We're going to have all of that over here for you to see. If you look on the other side of your screen, you'll see that we have this nice long progression bar. That's going to show you where we are from start to finish through this whole entire workout. It's going to be a fast one, so look down at your start button. Find it. We're getting right into it today in 3, 2, 1. We're going 2.5, 3.5, right on that speed. We're walking it out. All right, 15 minutes HIIT, nonstop. We're pushing our pace. You have 15 minutes to get what you need, right? So we're gonna go hard. You have a 30-second base recovery. We do that 8 times in a row. We're done, we're out of here, okay? So right here, we got 10 seconds left. We go right into a jog, okay? 4, 5, 7, 0. Remember, these workouts are designed for you and only you. You know your limits. I'm here to push you a little bit beyond them. But let's get it going. 4, 5, 7, 0. That's a lot of wiggle room. You know where you need to be, okay? We're here for about 1 minute, and then we take it back down, and then we go right into it. So 1 minute hard, heavy push, 30-second recovery. The recovery, though, is gonna stay into a light jog. So we're gonna run from start to finish from here to the end after we have this little 30-second break. 15 minutes, boom, we go hard. It's not even 15 minutes, it's only like 13. So I don't wanna hear no ifs, ands, or buts today. Today, we working. Today, we moving and grooving. Today, we sweating. And then we're out of here. Like you're being slapped around for a good 15 minutes and then you're like, what just happened to me? I feel so great. That's what we're doing today. Whew. Got 15 seconds. We take it back down 3-0-4-0, okay? You got 10. You got 8. You got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 3-0-4-0. We're only here for 30 seconds. We go right into our hard base, okay? There's 6-0, 10-0. Every time we come into that push, that hard effort, you add on 0.1. All right, so if you don't hear me say it because we're moving fast, just know we start at 6-1 to 10, or 6-0 to 10-0. We add on 0.1 every single time we push. 1 minute on the push, 10 seconds we go, in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, pick it up, we're right into it. Now the party started. Woo, here we go, here we go. You gonna love me now. No, what is the saying? Hate me now, love me later. You gonna love me now and love me later. That's what I try to say. Good. So we're going hard, okay? Maybe give you the first one if you didn't really do a good warm up. But after this, we going ham, baby. 30 seconds on the clock. Okay, so our base effort stays the same, 5-0-7-5, softer jog, okay? Still jogging. We're running, sprinting on these hard efforts, taking it into a soft jog on our recovery. It's only 30 seconds, just to get a little bit of air into the lungs, okay? You guys, we only have 8. This is already 1 down. We only have 7 left. In 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30 seconds. All right, that was the first one. If you went easy, no more. Let's push, okay? I'm pushing today. Maybe less talking, more growling, I don't know. You got 15 seconds on the clock. 6-1, 10-1, and 10. We're already 3 minutes into it, come on. In 6, 5, let's go. In 3, 2, 1, pick it up, people. Pump it out. Yes, we're running, we're working. Let's go, faster, stronger, no quitting. 15 seconds down, 45 to go. Pick it up, pick it up. I love it. I know you guys are working hard. You got 30 seconds left. We take it to our base. Come on, a little bit more. Breathe through it. 20 seconds. You're almost there, you're almost there, you're almost there. Don't look down. Don't stop early. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 5-0, 7-5. Hit it now. Recover. Breathe. That's 2 down. 6 to go. That's it. You're like, what? Guess what? You're 5 minutes into the workout. You only have 10 minutes left. Get ready to pick it up. 6-2. 10-2. Well, I said we're moving and grooving today. In 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on, this is where the magic happens. Push, push, push. Listen to your strides. Do they make a tempo? That's what we're looking for. 45 seconds. Come on. And just like that, we're halfway there. 30 seconds. Squeeze that core. Come on, people. I know you got it. Just a little longer. Just a little more. It's like nothing. You're like, all right, I'm just going. 10, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5075. That's 3 down. 3 down. 5 to go. All right? After this, we're already halfway there. This was made for no crybabies today. And I'm the biggest culprit of being a crybaby. Pushing myself sometimes. I'm pushing. Push with me. All right. 6, 3, 10, 3. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pick it up. Your legs are feeling it, right? Your legs are working. Eye of the tiger. Laser focused. Pump the arms. Are you going faster? Are you getting stronger? You know the answer. Come on. You're halfway there. Don't stop. Keep working. Come on, come on, come on. Give me 20 seconds left. 30-second little base recovery. I know, you're like, wait, Rachel ain't talking so much today. Yeah, Rachel working. I'm working with you. You got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5075. I'll feel it just like you feel it. I'm doing it just like you're doing it. Don't quit on me. I'm not quitting on you. Guess what, kids? Cause you kids. Guess what, team? We're halfway there. 4 more. 4 more on the board. Yep. 6-4. 10-4. I want to see it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I know. No more Mrs. Nice Coach today. How do we get stronger? We push harder. We go a little faster. Even if it's for 15 minutes, we push. Come on. Don't look down. Keep going forward. Keep working it out. We're halfway there. We're halfway there. 30 seconds left. Pump. Nice tall spine. Chest is up. Throat is down, right? L shape in the throat. Quarter left. Quarter left. Come on. You got 10. You got 8. You got 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk it out. I didn't mean walk. Jog it out. Here we go. Coming into the last bang here. 3 left. 6, 5, 10, 5. 6, 5, 10, 5. Here we go. Check out those arms. Nice, good deep inhale. Exhale, let it go. 3 more times to get what you need. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 6, 5, 10, 5. Pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. You got it, team. We're working here. Squeezing that core tight, right? Feel the upper abs engaged. Don't hold on to your breath. Keep working on that breath. Keep focusing on it. And guess what? You got 30 seconds left. Keep going, keep going. Come on, come on. 20. Keep working, keep working. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Get ready. 5075. 30 seconds coming on the clock. And 10, and 9, and 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. I got 30 seconds to tie my shoe. Can I do it? I don't know. Hands a little shaky, knees weak, arms are heavy. Quote it. Here we go. I did it, I did it, I did it. I did it. That's a little M&M for you. Here we go. You ready? 10 seconds. 6, 6, 10, 6. We have 2 left. 2 left. 6, 6, 10, 6, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute, come on. Woo! I want more. That's too easy. I might drag and drop, do it all over again. 50 seconds. Last one. Coming up after this. Relax the face, right? Breathe through it. Pump the arms a little faster. Good. Halfway there. Keep working, keep working. Almost, almost, almost. Come on, give me a little point one. Point one, you got 20 seconds left. Add it on. Work harder. Do more. Get stronger. Last 10 coming up right here. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 7, 5. Your last time going to this base. Your last 30 seconds. How are we feeling? You have 1 minute left. Nobody waste it. This is the one that counts more than anything in the whole wide world. This moment, it's about you finishing. It's about you pushing through it. It's about you not quitting. All right? Let's do it together. 6, 7, 10, 7. Push out of your comfort zone. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, come on. What 60 seconds? What 60 seconds more? You got it. Come on, come on. Pick it up, pick it up. You know we're gonna pick up the pace. 3, 2, give me point one. We didn't come to play, right? You got 10 more seconds. You're gonna give me point one again. I'll tell you when. In 5, and 4, and 3, and 2. You got 25 seconds. This is it. Come on, team. We take it back down. 3, 5, 4, 5, right into recovery. 50 seconds. I got it. 10, 9, 8. Come on, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. 1 minute here. That's it. What were we complaining about? What were we worried about? Woo. Yeah. Allow yourself this minute. Soak it in. Work it in. We take it down. 2, 5, 3, 5. 30 seconds in that cool down. Shake out the arms. How you feel? Right? You only have 15 minutes to do anything. I want you to make sure you give yourself a big round of applause. This ain't easy. It wasn't meant to be easy. And if you did go on the lower pace, don't worry. That's why we record them, because next time you're gonna do it again. You're gonna take it to your max. Okay? 10 seconds. Through 2, 5, 3, 5. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Last 30, slow it down. Focus on your breath. It was a whole lot of picking it up and then dropping right back down. So take the time here, breathe. God, I'm so proud of you guys. Hopefully got like a mile, maybe 2 miles in, somewhere between there. 15 minutes, giving everything you got. That's all you can ask for, okay? You get yourself on this tread, we don't quit, 100%. From start to finish. That's what the workouts are designed for. I want you to look down at that tread, find that stop button in 3, 2, 1. Remember, this is IBX Running. I'm Coach Rachel. 15-minute cardio hit. You guys crushed it. I'll see you guys next time.